Welcome to Next Knowledge. Today, we're taking you on an extraordinary journey from one of nature's most remarkable plants to the clothes we wear every day. Join us as we explore the complete transformation of bamboo, from lush green forests to premium, sustainable fashion garments. This is not just a manufacturing process. It's a story of innovation, sustainability, craftsmanship, and the future of eco-friendly fashion. So sit back, relax, and let's begin this fascinating journey together. Welcome to a remarkable journey that connects nature's genius with modern innovation. Today, we explore the complete transformation of bamboo, one of the fastest growing plants on Earth, into luxurious, sustainable fashion garments that we wear every day. From towering green groves to soft t-shirts, cozy hoodies, elegant dresses, and durable trousers, this is the full story of bamboo textile manufacturing. In the next 40 minutes, we will walk through every single stage of this fascinating process with depth and detail. Bamboo has been used by humans for thousands of years, for food, construction, paper, and medicine. But its transformation into high-performance fabric is a relatively modern miracle. Unlike cotton, which demands enormous amounts of water and pesticides, or synthetic polyester made from petroleum, bamboo offers a truly renewable and eco-friendly alternative. It grows rapidly, absorbs large amounts of carbon dioxide, prevents soil erosion, and requires very little fertilizer. This video will show you exactly how science and technology turn this humble grass into premium clothing that feels like silk, but performs like technical sportswear. Let's begin at the source, the bamboo forest. Bamboo is not a tree. It is actually a giant grass that can grow up to 91 centimeters in a single day under ideal conditions. Most commercially used bamboo reaches maturity within 3 to 5 years. During harvesting, skilled workers carefully select mature stalks and cut them at the base using traditional or mechanized tools. The underground root system, known as the rhizome, remains untouched. Because of this, new shoots emerge naturally within weeks. This remarkable regenerative ability makes bamboo one of the most sustainable resources available to humanity. After harvesting, the stalks are transported to processing facilities where they are sorted by age, thickness, and quality. Proper harvesting practices ensure the forest remains healthy, productive, and biodiverse for future generations. Now the industrial transformation begins. The harvested bamboo stalks are first cut into smaller sections and fed into powerful chipping machines. These machines break the hard exterior into small chips, exposing the cellulose-rich interior. There are two primary methods used to create bamboo fibers. The first is the mechanical process. The second and more common method is the viscose process. In the mechanical process, natural enzymes help separate the fibers while preserving many of the bamboo's natural characteristics. In the viscose process, bamboo chips are treated and refined to extract pure cellulose. The cellulose is then cleaned, filtered, and processed into a smooth pulp. This stage combines advanced engineering with precise quality control to ensure consistency and safety. The magic truly happens in the spinning department. The refined bamboo cellulose is transformed into a spinning solution. This solution is pushed through specialized devices known as spinnerets. Each spinneret contains hundreds of microscopic holes. As the solution passes through these openings, it forms continuous fibers. These fibers are stretched, washed, and strengthened before being spun into yarn. Modern spinning machines operate at incredible speeds while maintaining remarkable precision. The resulting bamboo yarn is soft, strong, breathable, and comfortable. Its moisture-wicking properties make it ideal for modern apparel and activewear. With the yarn complete, the next step is fabric production. Advanced weaving and knitting machines transform bamboo yarn into versatile fabrics. Woven fabrics are commonly used for structured garments, such as shirts and trousers. Knitted fabrics provide flexibility and softness, making them ideal for t-shirts, hoodies, and loungewear. The fabric then undergoes a series of finishing treatments. These may include dyeing, softening, surface refinement, and performance enhancements. Responsible factories often incorporate water recycling systems to reduce environmental impact. The final result is a luxurious fabric that feels exceptionally soft against the skin. Now we arrive at the garment manufacturing floor. Designers use advanced computer software to create efficient patterns. These patterns help maximize material usage and minimize waste. Automated cutting machines precisely cut multiple layers of fabric. The cut pieces are then sent to sewing departments. Experienced workers carefully assemble each garment using modern industrial sewing machines. Collars, cuffs, pockets, labels, buttons, and zippers are added with great attention to detail. Every stage is monitored to ensure high standards of quality and consistency. before reaching consumers, every garment undergoes rigorous testing. Manufacturers evaluate color durability, shrink resistance, fabric strength, and overall performance. Laboratories conduct extensive inspections to ensure products meet international quality standards. Sustainability remains one of bamboo's greatest advantages. Bamboo grows rapidly, requires relatively few agricultural inputs, and can contribute to soil conservation. As consumers become more environmentally conscious, bamboo garments continue to gain popularity around the world. Their softness, comfort, and sustainable appeal make them a compelling choice for modern fashion. As we conclude this complete journey from a single bamboo shoot to elegant, sustainable fashion, one thing becomes clear. Bamboo represents an exciting direction for the future of responsible clothing. What begins as a simple plant in nature is transformed through innovation, technology, and skilled craftsmanship into garments enjoyed by millions. The next time you wear a bamboo t-shirt, hoodie, or any bamboo-based garment, remember the incredible journey behind it. From sunlight and rainfall to engineering and manufacturing, every step plays a role in creating something remarkable. Thank you for joining us on this fascinating exploration. Thank you for watching Next Knowledge. If you enjoyed this documentary, please like, comment, and share it with friends who are passionate about innovation, sustainability, and modern manufacturing. Subscribe to Next Knowledge and turn on notifications so you never miss our future factory tours, manufacturing documentaries, and behind-the-scenes stories. Until next time, keep learning, keep exploring, and keep growing with Next Knowledge. Goodbye.